I set up this science fair because it's very popular in the Western culture for students to take a science class and be able to explore what science means and what science looks like. You know, a lot of people and a lot of students think that science is just something in a textbook, you know, that the teacher lectures you on and you just write down your answers. But something like this allows the students to actually get their hands dirty, come up with their own questions, and then design their own experiments to come up with solutions and answers. So they see science in real life.
Thinking about this name, like the ice here represents the cold water and fire represents the hot water, and the bridge of these two cups is our metal vials to connect them together.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
It was very clever.
Yeah.
Well done, boys.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe some substances like some metal substance is in the tap water, so it may be harmful to the leaves, and it's 3 to 4 weeks. Okay.
Very, very good.
Okay.
All right, good job. Well done. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did you try different levels of sunlight or different kinds of light?
Yeah, we choose the different kind of the level of light. You can see that.
How many times did you do this? Did you just do it one time? Or did you do it
2 times.
2 times?
Yeah, 2 times.
What kind of features do you do in the diet? Almost every beverage in the market, we have diet version.
Because when we have this 3-day holiday and we all have to go back to our hometown and nobody else can like bring these plants back to our hometown, and then we just leave it here with the same water. We don't change it that day, and then it just die when we come back because we don't drink water. Oh, this one. And this is our conclusion. We have all our data in it and where we got the resources and why we're going to do this.
This classroom has the entrance consists of physics, psychology, and biochemical steps of classical.
Thank you.
Good job. Well done. Good job.
我们在这个实验过程中呢，也并不是一帆风顺的。比如说，在我们一开始选题这个时候，我们就已经做过3遍了。
比较大的收获就是，学习到了怎么去和别人更好的交流，然后包括怎么去使我的这些就是生物实验更加的严谨，怎么去收集一些数据之类的。
Well, the impression that I got from the science fair is that the kids were very, very well prepared. They did a lot of thorough investigation into these projects, and they actually taught me a thing or two. I don't have the best science knowledge, but what I've learned from the various experiments is that the amount of preparation and research that they did, it was very well thought out, and I was super impressed.
我认为这一次活动的一个展示让我获得最大的感悟就是我看到了每一个孩子身上的一些闪光点。那么不同的团队，我看到了他们的合作精神，同时呢，还有在现场的这样的一个沟通能力，我觉得这都是每个人身上的一个亮点。那么最后，我想对孩子们说，你们都是最棒的。
国际部各个年级的孩子们
将课堂上所学到的一些学科，比如说生物、化学、物理这些知识投入到实践的动手能力，无不体现了我们国际部孩子们的优异的组织能力。老师为你们点赞。
All of the students have done a tremendous job within their groups, learning how to work together and to solve the problems that they have asked the questions for. It's really challenging to be put in a group with 3 to 4 different people that you may not know every day. And being able to create something like this, I think that the students have done a great job. And then today we've seen amazing presentations from them. They've had many judges come by and talk to them. People who don't know their topics in advance, but the students were able to explain to them what they've done. So I would have to say good job to all of my students. I'm so proud of them and I look forward to what they're going to do the rest of this year.